Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of vitamins and discussing the top essential vitamins you should take for optimal health. We all know that a balanced diet is crucial for our well-being, but with our busy lives, it can be tough to ensure we're getting all the nutrients we need. That's where vitamins come in. These organic compounds play a vital role in various bodily functions, from boosting our immunity to strengthening our bones. In this video, we'll explore the top essential vitamins, their benefits, and the best sources to obtain them. So, whether you're a health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, stick around to discover the key to unlocking your healthiest self. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is produced by our bodies in response to sunlight. It plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Beyond bone health, vitamin D also supports our immune system, helping our bodies fight off infections and diseases. Studies have even linked sufficient vitamin D levels to a reduced risk of certain cancers, heart disease, and multiple sclerosis. While sunlight is the best source of vitamin D, not everyone gets enough sun exposure. Fortunately, we can also obtain this vital vitamin through our diet. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are excellent sources, as are egg yolks and fortified foods like milk and cereals. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, consult your doctor for personalized advice. Remember, maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is crucial for overall well-being and disease prevention. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various health problems. One of the most well-known benefits of vitamin C is its role in supporting the immune system. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are our body's first line of defense against infections. Moreover, vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, a protein that gives our skin its elasticity and strength, keeping it looking youthful and healthy. It also aids in wound healing and iron absorption. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are excellent sources of vitamin C. Other good sources include strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli. Incorporating these fruits and vegetables into your diet can help boost your immune system, protect your skin, and promote overall health. Vitamin B12 is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including cell growth and development, nerve function, and red blood cell production. Red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout our body, and a vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to anemia, a condition characterized by fatigue and weakness. Furthermore, vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system. It helps produce myelin, a protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers and ensures proper nerve impulse transmission. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, making it a nutrient of concern for individuals following a vegan or vegetarian diet. Good sources of vitamin B12 include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. If you don't consume animal products, it's crucial to include fortified foods like plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, or consider taking a vitamin B12 supplement. Vitamin A is crucial for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It comes in retinoids from animal products and carotenoids from plants. Retinoids are essential for night vision. Carotenoids, like beta-carotene, act as antioxidants. Vitamin A supports skin health and immune function. Include colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet for vitamin A. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cell membranes and DNA. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting our cells. It also maintains healthy skin and eyes. Nuts and seeds like almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and peanuts are great sources. Vegetable oils like wheat germ oil are also rich in vitamin E. Thanks for watching. We've covered the essential vitamins for optimal health, from boosting immunity to strengthening bones. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is crucial for obtaining these vital nutrients. However, if you struggle to meet your daily requirements through diet alone, consult your healthcare provider about appropriate supplementation. Prioritizing your health is an investment that pays off in countless ways. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button, and follow the page's videos. Stay healthy and see you next time.